from Tamil Nadu. My team project are Focal of Local. Now I am saying 3 problems and solutions. Problem number 1. Why did not given importance of irrelevant products of herbals in our society? Solution of problem 1. Irrelevant herbal products should be telecast on our government and all social media to improve their economical status. Problem 2. Why did not herbal and snake catchers expert of irrelevant experience make me a training adopt in schools and college syllabus? Solution of problem 2. India government should add the new syllabus of importance of illness and how to use their medicines in day-to-day life. It should be added in all kinds board educational system in all Indian language. Problem number 3. Why did not input lessons of famous illness achievers story input schools and college textbooks? Solution for problem 3. Make the syllabus or lessons for school and college textbook books. Research the following sources. Watch Wikipedia Masi Sariyan. Watch YouTube Masi Sariyan. Watch Instagram Masi Sariyan. Thank you.